Hey everybody, it's me Stacey here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and welcome to today's Make It Monday Clean Out the Refrigerator Day. I am currently in New Orleans attending the Creativiation show, so I'm not sure that I'll be live chatting with you today, but I thought what an easy way to clean out the refrigerator. This is a great time to do that. When I was a kid, that's what we did. Once a week it was clean out the refrigerator day, where all the leftovers from the previous nights were all brought out, and you got what you got. The first one to the table had the best selection. So I've got previous Make It Monday deals. I've got previous New For You Thursday deals, and we're going to put them all online. So if you missed it the first time, this is your chance to get it a second time. You never know. Maybe you were like, oh man, I missed out. It sold out so quick. But we had some orders cancel or they weren't paid for, and poof, it's back again. So what I have for you today is a very small sampling of what will be online for you. In fact, it's already online for you. So if you want to head on over and take advantage of our Clean Out the Refrigerator Day, perfect. I'm going to tilt down. I'm going to show you just a few items. Again, so much more online, and it is an online event only. So local peeps, you're going to have to place your order online, but you can certainly click pick up in the retail store, and as soon as it's ready for you, we will call you and let you know to come on by and pick it up. Are you ready to see some of the things we have for you? I've got a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Remember, it's Clean Out the Refrigerator Day. So some things we may only have one of, some things we may only have two of, some things we might have as many as 10. It's the first one to the table gets the best selection. That's what it was when I was a kid. First one to the table got the choice of what leftover they wanted to have. So I'm going to tilt on down. We're going to get started, and it's good to see everybody. I hope I'm having a great time at Creativation. I hope I'm posting for you. Find us on Facebook for my lives from Creativation, but also here on YouTube, there'll be a playlist that says Live from Creativation 2024, and I'll be doing the best I can to show you everything that's going on. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Bye. Tilting down, not leaving, just gonna tilt down now. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you knew, my plane leaves in like 15 minutes. Oh my gosh. Oh, but I have to have everything done before I can go. Okay, it looks like I've got penny black bundles. I believe these were $19.99. Penny black bundles. Wow, you got a lot for $19.99. I'm guessing that this is a Make It Monday bundle. Everything you see came in the bundle. 20 bucks. Penny black. Wahoo Kachoo. Can't go wrong there. I have a couple Tim Holtz bundles in a couple different configurations. I've got Mischievous Cats. That goes with his dogs. So it's the dog dies, the dog stamps, and an embossing folder. And Mischievous Cats. This was on a super hot, oh my gosh type of price. Unbelievable. We've got some of those for you. I have got 12 Days of Christmas from Crafter's Companion. I've got the beautiful 6x6 paper. I've got the coordinating cardstock. And let's see what's behind here. Oh, and I've got the beautiful specialty papers from Crafter's Companion. This is their, was it 12 Days of Christmas? Yep, this is their 12 Days of Christmas. I probably have a few of these left. Because once Crafters is done with a paper, they're done with a paper and you never get it again. I have got some Spellbinders. This is probably a Spellbinders bundle that we had for Thursday. I've got a little bit of this left. So Spellbinders is playing, oh, I'm never gonna get all this out. They got that bag so tight. So you've got stamps, dies. Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Spellbinders. Did you miss this bundle? If so, it's back. This was Spellbinder's Faves is what they called it. I've got Creative Expressions. A Jamie Rogers kit that has paper, it has stencils, it has dies, it has just a little bit of everything in it from Jamie Rogers and Creative Expressions. We've got, so far I've done Sizzix, I've done Creative Expressions, I've done Penny Black, I've done Crafter's Companion, I've got Woodware going on. Great little set from Woodware. I've got more Tim happening here. You can get the Tim Holtz dogs and the cats, and it looks like 4 packs of his distressed crayons. These must have been a Holy Smokes Artichokes deal. So if you love Tim Holtz and you want the dogs, you have the dies, the stamps, and the embossing folder. You have the dies, the stamps, and the embossing folder. And then I included 4 sets of his distress crayons. Wow, that was a really good bundle I put together. I'm pretty proud of that one. Let's see, what do I have over here? I have from Couture Creations. Oh, this is a beautiful bundle. I've got a beautiful bundle from Couture Creations with dies, stamps. Look at how lovely is this. This has the embossing folder, the matching stencil, all the paper. Just a little bit of everything. We've got Sue Wilson and pink ink happening here. So are these names that you love, love, love? Oh, perfect for this time. Oh, love these. And paper to go with. That's a happy day. I've got Sizzix. I've got Make It Mondays. So $20 deals. Everything for 20 bucks. Really, everything for 20 bucks. So clean out the refrigerator day between Make It Mondays. Oh, here's another Make It Monday. Looks like it's all embossing. Oh, die. I was wrong. It's all holiday for 20 bucks. If you missed something, this is your opportunity to go look. I've got the Tim Holtz foliage and the coordinating embossing folder, and we paired that with Mischievous Cats. I have got Life is Beautiful garden bundle. Look at this. Creative Expressions. I mean, there's just product absolutely everywhere here. It truly is a clean out the refrigerator day. If we had some left, even if it's just one, it's up on the site now for sale. This is your chance to pick up something that you missed the first time or that you didn't even get to see the first time. How many times do we get a mulligan in life where we get to have a mulligan and we get to do it all over again? That is what clean out the refrigerator day is. If you missed it the first time, here it is the second time. And if you didn't see it to begin with, well, it's new for you. Absolutely. So I hope that you take advantage of our clean out the refrigerator day. I hope you find something that you were like, oh, shucks, and then it's back. That's like fate. And I hope to be back with you tomorrow for our next Take Two Tuesday event. I do hope to be live chatting through that event. Time will tell. I've got so much that I have to get done at the show, but hopefully you are watching me either on our Facebook page, our Instagram page, or our YouTube channel for our live from Creativation coverage. All right, you guys, I gotta catch a plane. It's super good to see you. Thank you for being here. I know it's short, I know it's sweet, but I'm Stacey at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and well, I gotta go.